Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is creamy kalabasa soup. Yes, that's right. So according to Pag-asa, rainy season has started. So what a great way to start this season if you learn how to make a new healthy and delicious soup recipe. So if this is something that you're interested in, please keep on watching. Let's get on with the ingredients. Kalabasa, chicken breast fillet, all-purpose cream, butter, green onions, and garlic. Enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share. And for the complete recipe details, please check on this video description. And again, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to click on that little bell so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We're also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you wanted to check out more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And in case you wanted to check out Masflex cookware and kitchenware products, I will put their link on this video description as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Masflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.